Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a bit of a project share. I also would like to apologise that I haven't posted any videos recently. Just been a lot going on, and I haven't felt quite well over the last couple of weeks. So yeah, I just haven't done much crafting, and I just haven't had time to put up some videos. I have pre-recorded a couple hauls that were done at the start of September time, but which I will upload in the next couple of videos, because I know certain things are still in the stores and stuff, so I might as well share those with you. And I think another one is an Amazon haul, which I know most of the stuff is still in stock. Like I said, I apologise I haven't done any videos. I will have some craft videos coming up shortly. But I thought I'd pop on and share one thing that I have been making. Is these coffins, like out of card. The tutorial for this, I will try and link her tutorial down below. I think her name's Sam. I just can't for the life of me remember off my top of my head what her channel's called. But yeah, she makes these without a die and stuff, so easy to put together. She doesn't put any paper on top or on the bottom of her tutorial and stuff. She leaves it all sort of like with the black cardstock or whatever cardstock she makes. I just kind of didn't like that messy kind of feel. I guess I'm sort of perfectionist like that. I just don't like the way it looked. And she doesn't put any sort of cardstock in inside, but it just makes it look neater and stuff and finished. But you can do it however you want to do it. I just cut up some tissue paper because I didn't have any sort of Halloween shredded paper, so I just cut up some of that and put that inside, and I'm just going to fill it with some different sweets and things. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how these turned out. I've just embellished the papers I use. So I use the base of it is black cardstock, which I picked up from the range, and then the patterned papers is again what I picked up from the range. I have hauled this. It's their Halloween design papers, and those are the different designs that you get in that pack. And I think it was like $1.99 or $2. It could have been $2.99, but I have hauled these before. So that's the papers I used, and then just I had these foam kind of stickers in my stash. I think I've hauled these a couple of years now from Morrison's. Some pom-poms I picked up from the range in like orange and stuff. Then made some of these, I know everyone's making these safety pins with the beads on, so just put candy in there and then some beads on the smaller one. Made a rosette out of the paper collection again, just popped that up and just hung that, like attached it to the side of the rosette, and then put some acetate for the covers. And yeah, I'm just really pleased with how they're quite easy to put together. She does attach her lids as well. The lady that does the tutorial on these, she attaches her lids to one side, so they sort of open like that. Again, I just didn't. I preferred it where you could take the lid completely off and then reattach it. So it's you know, you've got to make it to your own preference, I guess. So yeah, so I done those. I think I did 2 that kind of style, so that's sort of similar sort of style. And then if you don't like fold, so when you make these boxes, if you want to, so you can have them this kind of size, but if you want them like much thinner, then you just kind of glue the papers together more. It's hard to explain. So you kind of, when you're making it, you either glue the back of the papers tighter or looser, depending on the size and shape that you want them to be. So you can either have them this sort of size, so I'll show you the back of that, so it's a lot wider kind of coffin, or you can have a lot thinner, so it depends on the sort of shape that you'd prefer, and it's just the way you glue the bits together at the back. So yeah, so did those two, then did these two. This is a die from Tim Holtz. Again, I have hauled this die before. So just did that in silver cardstock and then backed it on some black cardstock. These are the stickers from the range that I picked up, again hauled. Then I had some of these fibres. Just put that, again the pom-poms and the papers from the collection. Yeah, and then you've got quite a lot of room inside to put some treats and things, or you could put some craft goodies and things in there. Yeah, so I did those two. I think my youngest one's going to give these to his teachers for school, and then I've just haven't decorated this one, so this is kind of what it looks like, plain and undecorated. So yeah, so I've got that one to embellish, or you could just leave it as it is. And that's it, guys. Like I said, I have been making some tags and things, Christmas tags and that, so I may pop on and share those at a later date. Thanks everyone for sticking with my channel, even though I haven't posted any videos recently. I really appreciate all the lovely comments people have been leaving and stuff, and yeah, I will catch you in my next one. Have a great weekend. Bye.